Hello everyone, the company we're going to look at today is GVK Power and Infrastructure Limited. As you can see, they are engaged in the business of providing operation and maintenance services, manpower and consultancy services, and incidental services to owners of power plants, airports, and infrastructure companies. So this is what they deal with. Market cap, as you can see, is 1,830 crores. Stock PE is pretty good at just 21.4, ROC at 14.1, promoter holding decent at 52.4%, profit growth very healthy 163%, book value minus 6.4, which is not very good. Current price is 11.4, face value of just rupees 1, a high of rupees 17 and a low of rupees 1.98. Current price, as already mentioned, is at 11.6 at the moment. Now let's look at a very important factor, that is the history of its pricing in the stock market. This is something I urge everybody to have a look at. It started way back in 2006 at 30 rupees, and it had gone up all the way to 85 rupees in Jan of 2008. So it has having an upward climb from there all the way till Jan of 2008. And from there you can see it had a complete climb down to just 14 rupees in 10 months time, again in 2008. But then again it climbed up to rupees, how much did it go up to? Yeah, it went up to over 50 rupees again in 2010, and it hovered around that area till 2010 end. But then it suddenly just came down all the way up to 9 rupees, and as you guys can see, there's a support level it was maintaining around at 18 rupees. It would go up to and it would come down, and this was for a good period of time. This was till October of 2017, and then it had a slight climb all the way to a little bit over 20 rupees, around 25 rupees in Jan of 2018, and from there it completely climbed down and was maintaining a very low price for a long period of time, all the way till July of 2023, and from there it saw an upward climb again after a long time, all the way till the mentioned price of rupees 17, but now again there's a slight consolidation taking place. Now what do we understand by this stock away? It's highly volatile. It was highly volatile for a good period of time, and now again it started climbing again during this period of time. And let's just have a look at the financials. That's really important. See, this being an infrastructure company, you cannot expect its financials to be stable all the time, because this is a highly capital intensive type of a business. So there's going to be a lot of borrowing included in this kind of business. So that's always going to be on the high side. That's something you'll need to look into. So let's just have a look at net profit of this company. Net profit 2012, 105 crores, which was good. 2013, as already mentioned, minus 356 in 2013, and 14 again minus of 393, 15 again minus of 1,136. This is pretty concerning. And 2016 minus 687, and 2017 even worse, minus 3,344, and then 2018 minus 537, 2019 minus 304, and 20, the worst of the lot, minus 1,545, and then 2021 again minus 937. So that explains why the price was so low for that period of time, right? So because it was running under loss for such a period, as you can see, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, all the way till 2021 it was in minus. But as you can see, March of 2022 there was a massive net profit of 2,636 crores, which brought down a lot of the loss, right, at the end of the day. And 2023 it was even huger, 3,071 crores. So as you can see, for the past 2 years they've been having a huge net profit, and 2024 will be out shortly as well. Now apart from this, let us also have a look at the shareholding patterns. Did that in any way affect the shareholding patterns? Apparently it didn't. March of 2021, all the way till December of 2023, the promoters have not sold their stake. It's still at 54.25%, still intact, which is a positive thing. Now, the public back in March of 2021 had about 275,866 shareholders, and it's not increased by much, around 70,000, a little bit more than 70,000 over the past 2 years, to 2.5 years to be exact, to 3,49,000. It hasn't been a very big climb in the number of shareholders as far as the public were concerned. So this is about the financials and the shareholding pattern and the price history of this company. Now let's just have a look at the things that they've done as of now. Energy, they were into gas and naphtha, thermal, coal-based and hydro-based. This is their energy business. And as far as airports are concerned, in India, they made the CSMI in Mumbai airport. They were involved in that. The Kia Bangalore, the MIAL Navi Mumbai, and Indonesia, the Yogyakarta Bali. So that's what they've been doing as of now. Transportation, the roads, the Jaipur Krishna Garg road project. They had they were the ones that did that project at the end of the day. So this is the kind of business they deal with. So to just give you all a better understanding of this, I'll just read this out for you all. GVK is a leading Indian conglomerate with diversified interests across various sectors, including energy, airports, transportation, hospitality, and life sciences. It has taken pioneering initiatives across many sectors that it operates in and has overcome every challenge to provide reliable infrastructure to contribute to the country's growth. GVK's greatest strength is its highly experienced and proficient in-house talent pool. GVK's collaboration with global infrastructure leaders has brought international expertise to India, reflecting excellence and advancement in all its endeavors. So this is just a slight overview of the company of GVK. And now let's have a look at some of their future projects. That's something that has to be looked into, right? As already mentioned, the company has constructed terminals for Mumbai and Bangalore airports, as we had already seen. Now, currently, the company is working on a plan to build an additional terminal. That's before 2030. So they will be busy till 2030 because they're in plans of building an additional terminal right now. And the company is also currently working on plans to boost its energy usage from 30% to 40% in the near future. So these are the current plans of GVK Infrastructure and Limited Future. This is what they're planning on doing right now. Now, just concerning this company right now, see, it's available for rupees 11 right now, and I think there's going to be a slight consolidation that's going to take place right now. See, this is not a buy or sell recommendation or anything like that. I'm just giving you all an overview of what the company is. You also need to do your research before taking a call whether to invest in this company or not. But said and done, it's available for a good price right now. And infrastructure is going to be a very, very important factor as far as India is concerned, all the way till 2030, because the government's plans are also highly focused on infrastructure. So this is definitely a company that can be looked into because it's currently just available at rupees 11. You'll probably be able to get it for an even lesser price. So if you are interested in investing in a infrastructure and a power company right now, you can invest. I mean, you can take the call on your own. You can invest between 3,000 and 5,000 shares and hold it for a few years. This is not something that you're going to make, an immediate profit out of. You got to give it a little bit of time. Over the years, it's definitely going to turn out to be a lucrative stock. It's not something that you buy, the next day you check the price of the stock is rupees 100. That's not how it works. It's going to take its own time. But there's one guarantee for sure. If the company keeps making sustainable amount of profits every year, it's definitely going to grow in terms of its value. And sooner or later, it's going to reach a good number. So this is a stock I would recommend you all, since it's available at this price right now, to buy and hold for a few years and keep. So if you like my video, I'd appreciate it if you could subscribe to my channel and hit the like button as well. So that's it for me today, guys. Take care and have a great day ahead.